What's good, everyone? This is your boy Smuda. Yeah, today I'm going to teach you how to buy your rain SIM card and take a lot. Yeah, but there are many stores where you can buy it. On each website you can get it. Yeah. Let me show you how I bought mine. Oh, my network connection. Yeah, we're going to search rain SIM. Here it is. It only costs R1. If it's your first time buying the SIM card, you're going to get the free delivery. But if you have once bought here and take a lot, you have to pay for delivery. It's only costing R1. Add. Going to press add. Manage your connection. Oh, just go to cache. Oh, come on. Then you can choose. Maybe you want more than one SIM card. You can get up to you can choose whether you want 5. You can get 5. Here you see it's written 5. If you choose 5, it's going to cost you R5 because the only one SIM card is R1. Yeah, but still the delivery is going to be free delivery if it is your first time buying. Proceed. You can choose collect or deliver at your door. Choose door key. You can add your address, delivery address. You can add it. If it is your first time buying, obviously you must add your address. Continue to payment. As I said, this is my another email of mine. It is a free delivery. Choose free. Yeah, you can donate. You can donate R5. You can donate R5. For me now, it's no thanks. Then on your payment, you can choose which one. You can pay with EFT with Pay Fast, EFT with Ozo, credit and debit card. Yeah, there's everything you can pay with, even on credit. But I haven't tried it. You can try it yourself. Yeah, that's how you do it. Then you can continue paying. But for now, I'm not buying because I have one. But for you, if you don't have one and you didn't know how to pay or get a ransom card, here is an easy video how you can get it. Here is an easy video how you can buy a ransom card. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Yeah, for more videos, subscribe. On another video, I'm going to teach you how to register ransom card, how to activate it. Yeah, thank you.